Hello everyone, this is Jyoti Kumari of class 9th from Sri Chaitanya Civils Batch Rajmundry, and today's our topic is World Heritage Day. World Heritage Day, which is also known as the International Monuments and Sites Day, celebrates the work carried out by the ISOMOS, International Council on Monuments and Sites. The day is all about increasing the awareness of the importance of the diversity of cultural heritage and preserving it for generations in the future. Ancient monuments and buildings are an asset to us all around the world. However, they need to be protected to ensure that they continue to be an asset for years and years to come. Therefore, the day is a collective effort of communities around the globe. On this day, there are a number of different events that happen all over the world. This includes a wide range of activities, conferences, and visits to heritage sites and monuments. For those who are unaware, a heritage site is basically a place that is of cultural significance. It preserves the legacy of intangible attributes and physical artifacts of a society or group that is inherited from previous generations. There are truly some incredible heritage sites and monuments around the world. This includes the Machu Picchu, which is situated in the Ixuan mountainous terrain high above the Urubamba River in Peru. There are lots of amazing sites in Egypt, and the pyramids of Giza are one of them. Other places of note include Bagan in Myanmar, Angkor Wat in Cambodia, and the Great Wall of China. History of World Heritage Day. So the first part of World Heritage Day is that actually isn't, it's a formal name. What is popularly known as World Heritage Day is actually called the International Day for Monument and Sites and was established in 1982 by the International Council for Monuments and Sites. This organization was established on the principles set forth in the Venice Charter, otherwise known as the 1964 International Charter on the Conservation and Restoration of Monuments and Sites. The organization was founded after a need was identified to protect these valued locations, and it saw the coming together of experts from hundreds of related fields. These include architects, engineers, geographers, civil engineers, and artists and archaeologists. Each year, they work to help ensure that some of the world's most beautiful sites and important cultural monuments remain preserved for future generations. Since its inspection, it has grown to include almost 10,000 members in over 150 countries all over the world. Of these 10,000 members, over 400 are members from institutions, national committees, and international scientific committees, all working together to save important sites and identify new ones that need to be added to the watch list. There is a theme that is assigned to each World Heritage Day. We would definitely recommend taking a look at the theme for each year, as it will help to give us some direction regarding how to celebrate the day. For example, some of the themes in recent years have included that likes of rural landscapes and shared cultures, shared heritage, shared responsibility. Thank you for watching.